The following day, when you make the phone call, stick to the 5 minutes as agreed. Keep a timer close by. Never put pressure on them to speak for longer. Let them navigate this part until they themselves ask, "Dad, can we speak for a little while longer today? I need help with my homework." Structure the 5 minutes like this. Minute 1, light catch-up. How was your week? Or, did you enjoy sports day at school? Minutes 2 to 4, topics they're interested in. A funny viral video on TikTok, the new Call of Duty game, their football team's position in the league. Minute 5, make plans for your next call and let them know you love them. If the next time you call and they don't answer, just leave a voice message and let them know you'll call back on your next chosen day and time. After 3 months, you'll have an established routine with your kid and it will only get better. Why? Because your kid's nervous system becomes accustomed to dad showing up every single time. Even for 5 minutes, dad is still committed. Be mindful. Even though the phone call is going well, don't push for more time. Keep it predictable, and you will see the results. However, dads are human too. If there's a time when you can't make the regular pre-planned phone call, never beat yourself up. But you must make them aware of this at least a day before the planned call. One promise not kept without warning will undo weeks or months of routine and trust building. The check-in call is proof that you're present. If you can't make it, give them a heads up. That keeps the routine and bond solid.